In some countries, a private lending practice is called peer-to-peer lending. In fact, private lending is the oldest type of lending, which has survived through the centuries, if not millennia. It had started from the very simple step when one neighbor had been lending money to another. Today, in Canada, we have private individuals who have been lending for as long as 60 years. Also, we have newbies as well as private corporate lenders. Since this is the oldest type of lending, humanity has gone through just about every possible ordeal. But of course, industry has survived through millennia because positive experiences significantly outnumbered all negative ones. Canada is not an exception, though media continuously publicizes only dramatic cases. The worst of the worst make the news, while numerous best practices of private lending are never covered by the media. How often any of us read the story about a retired contractor lending money to his neighbor to buy a house? You're right. Maybe the contractor, the neighbor, and the families. Or a story about the borrower who will never qualify for a bank loan, but still is making payments on time and paying out his mortgage spot on the maturity date. I doubt that any news outlet will even work on a piece like this. Just think, how many Canadians would be able to buy property if banks were the only lenders? According to statistics, in good economic times, 40% of our population are turned down by the banks because they do not qualify. In an uncertain economy, this number is a lot higher. Sometimes it is over 55%. At the same time, the private lending industry is a vibrant industry. Many Canadians are benefiting from it. Thanks to this industry, Canada is still a place of opportunities. There are four major categories of participants in the private lending sector: perfect lender, predator lender, perfect borrower, predator borrower. The best match, of course, is perfect lender plus perfect borrower. However, this match will never make the news. Never. Too boring from our media's point of view. What is the perfect lender? The lender who knows the real estate market very well, who is not led by bias, who can control his emotions, and who offers fair and reasonable mortgage terms and sticks to them. What is the perfect borrower? A person who was open and transparent on the mortgage application, who maintains collateral property in a good shape, makes payments on time, pays out or renews a mortgage on maturity date. Perfect borrower comes forward immediately with the problems if those arise. Who are predator lenders? Lenders who are here to take advantage of the borrowers in any possible way. They start by offering unreasonable mortgage terms and conditions and stick to the contract only once it's convenient for them. Predator borrowers, the borrowers who are here to take advantage of lenders no matter what kind of great terms and conditions they have been offered. Obviously, the pair predator lender and predator borrower always makes the news, as damaging to the society, industry, and themselves as they are the equals. An experienced mortgage broker can see through each side's behavior and knows the reputation of many lenders and even some borrowers. And now we have the mixed pairs. Predator lender plus perfect borrower. In this case, if the borrower has a very good lawyer, there is a high chance of normal ending. This pair still makes the news. However, because they were in the news, more laws regulating the situation were created. The pair predator borrower plus perfect lender. This is a very harsh situation. And the main reason for new policies that require the borrower to be transparent and open during the mortgage application. This pair has become a newsmaker during the pandemic period. As you can see, the oldest lending industry, private lending, like a very old, experienced person, has seen it all. It is evolving. Many Canadians have turned their lives around with the help of knowledgeable mortgage brokers and perfect lenders. At Basalt Harbor, we're always ready to answer any private lending questions and explain the possibilities.